Now we will be installing the AWS CLI. To do that, you can follow the link on the description or go to our website, Guide section, install AWS CLI. Here you'll find the link and you need to click on it. In this page, you will need to choose your operating system. In this case, we are doing it with Windows. First thing will be downloading the installer. You'll find the link in the step 1. Once you have opened the installer, you need to complete all these steps. Finally, you need to click on Install. Then we have to check if the installation has been completed successfully. To do that, you need to copy the code that is in the second step. Then you just need to look for the Windows console on your search bar. To do that, just type CMD on the search bar and you'll find it here. Once you have opened it, you need to paste the code that Amazon gave you and click Enter. If it appears you a version of the AWS CLI, it means that the installation has been successful.